This trade I want to show you right now was given to me, or my attention was caught to this trade by one of my how can I put this now my my premature student or I should use the word my baby student. What I mean is that, or why I said that, is because the person only got my only paid part of my course, so only deposited, yeah. So the person only made part payment, yeah, that's the word. So the person only made part payment, and the person has not completed the payment. But it was when this chart was sent to me for analysis, that's when I was able to cite this trade, and trust me, I handled the trade very well. I handled it very well, yeah. And the trade today, anyway, you will see what the outcome of the trade is. And at least if I cannot show you the chart and everything about what the person showed me, I should be able to show you the real life analysis of my response, and more than how I even responded to the chart. So I just wanted to stay close as I walk you through this video, yeah, this tutorial. To trade NFP today, but if I'm going to trade at all, that means I'm going to be leaving my positions the way they are. And the reason why I'm going to be leaving them the way they are is because, you know, news is about them targeting liquidities. They will gather the liquidities, make sure that pending orders of retail traders are accumulated. So once they are accumulated, the next thing they will do is there's going to be a spike. Pew! Pew! So once the spike happens, the spike is what they use to clear liquidities before they go to their actual direction, before they go to the predicted direction. Now, if we want to use USDJPY as an example, we can see what is happening here. This is daily time frame, and this is what? This is liquidity areas. You see, all these things are liquidity. Even though we have liquidity area here if we use our trend line, but this is more obvious than this place. So that means the predicted direction for today is going to be a buy. Yes, for this NFP is going to be a what? It's going to be a buy. Maybe they will spike down to take small liquidity here and spike up, but you know, this is daily time frame, so it will not always happen like that. The only thing we can do is if we go to lower time frame and we see maybe a break in the structure of the market, then we cannot talk about, well, maybe they will sell, maybe there's going to be a sell, yeah. Or if you go to 1 hour time frame, and if you go to 1 hour time frame, yes, even though this is showing us a sign that okay, there could be a sell, but see, look at what we are seeing here. Liquidity level, liquidity will always be taken out. Liquidity will always be what? Will always be taken out in this market, because that is what pulls the market. So let us wait and see what the result is going to be, what the outcome is going to be. I'm very sure they will come and take out liquidity. See, I can see, I can bet anything with this. They are going to take out this liquidity. Yes. Don't worry. The time is very close. We are going to see what NFP is going to deliver for us. But I'm telling you, it's going to clear all this liquidity here. Yes. That means if it is buying on USDJPY, you know what I'm talking about. If you did quote currency, base currency, and quote currency. But my point is, on USDJPY, they are going to clear this stop here, this stop here. Price is going to come all the way to this place and what? And clear levels. Yes, and clear levels. All right, so let us wait and see what the outcome is going to be. All right, this is your guy Mike. Yeah. That's a wonderful one there, right? Yeah, that's a wonderful one there. So the thing is this is the level I was referring to in that video you just finished watching. Yeah, this is the level I was referring to, and you can see price broke the level aggressively, came back to retest here, then pew. And how many pips are we now? Let's calculate how many pips are we. this is 252 pips, 252 pips, 252 pips. Now let us get into the depth of this trade and this analysis on its own. All right, so as I said in the video, price was around here in the video. So the NFP, just as I analyzed, actually the NFP spike came like this. See the NFP candle, so it came with a spike. Here. So when it came with a spike here, it's still around the area we are targeting. So that is why it is very good to analyze your trade from higher time frame. And if you come to the weekly time frame, actually gave me the confidence. This trade, I've been following this trade for a while now. Like when I showed us, when I saw this analysis, that I released a video. Yes, I released a video for this trade, and you can see just only 1 week candle. It's 1 week candle that broke everything. Just one candle. I used to say something. I said, all you need when you analyze from higher time frame, all you need is one candle. Yeah, all you need is one candle. 2 or 3 candles can actually give you what you need for the whole week. Yeah, 2 or 3 candles can give you everything you need for the whole week. You can see only one candle actually gave us how many pips, and the one candle, just see when it's open, just came back a little bit. You can see that small distance. Then it has been on a very good trend. Yes, it has been a very good trend. This trade was entered on Friday, and today is another Friday. That means it's just 1 week. Yeah, it's just 1 week. So you can see what the trade is. No, it was entered last week, actually. So the point is, if we check weekly time frame, it's uptrend, came back to retest, cleared this high, came back to retest. I told us about all this. I once a high is cleared, price will always come back to retest it. So now I cited this double top on weekly time frame. So when I cited this double top on weekly time frame, I knew that yes, for this to be so obvious on weekly time frame, that means on lower time frame that there should have been a liquidity level here, or series of liquidity levels aligning with weekly time frame. So I went to daily time frame. And you can see the same thing on daily time frame. So when I got to the daily time frame, I was like, wow, this is wonderful. So I saw series of liquidities lie down here. So when I saw series of liquidity lie down here, and this one is aligned with what is happening on weekly time frame, then it gave me more joy. So even though these are liquidity levels, but I know price will respect more of this, because the weekly time frame is even on higher, on bullish. Yes, the weekly time frame is bullish, and you can see this is 1 day candle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, just the whole week was just buying. The whole week was buying. It has been buying for the whole week. And when I got to 4 hours time frame, I cited another. This is the weekly liquidity level. So I cited another liquidity level here on 4 hours time frame, just the way I cited it on daily time frame. So this gave me more confidence that price should be able to go bullish more than bearish. Then coming to 1 hour time frame, I cited another liquidity level on 1 hour time frame. So that's just the banger. Yeah, that's just the banger. You can see the weekly liquidity up there. You can see the weekly liquidity up there. You can see. So it just gave me more confidence. To enter this trade. So when I saw the levels that have been created, then I just tried and wait for the time price is going to clear liquidity for me to enter before I now enter the trade. And I saw a series of liquidity level here. Price came all the way, cleared the liquidity level here to give us a new structure, came back to retest the high, the low that produced that high. Then it's a go. So that's how we arrived here. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys should always try and leave a comment. Let me know if I'm teaching people. Let me know if people are following me. We are having new subscribers. I welcome you all. For those of for still light for still light and for subscribers and for new still light, if you are not encouraging the newcomers, if you are not liking, if you are not commenting, if you are not doing anything, they also want to follow your footsteps. So don't lay. It's very bad for you to lay a bad example. It's very bad. My mentorship program is very much opened, and also don't forget my brokers are always there to help you and always there to give you the best. Yes, you need a good broker. Don't ever don't forget that at all. Don't forget we always need a good broker in your trading. All right, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. All right, you guys should have a wonderful weekend. Maybe by weekend, okay, this is here we come. If you listen to this video up to this moment, pick a number. Oh no, just okay, this is going to be, just say I listen to everything, then I will give you number so that we can have a Zoom session this weekend. So I will know that people that are able to get here, they are the serious ones. Then I will organize a Zoom session for you guys. Yeah, so that's where or how I will know good followers. All right guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategy trader. Catch ya. Love you guys. Bye bye. I will never be the same. Oh, I've touched your grace. My life has changed. Oh, we never... stop now.